The best approach for solving these questions is to think in terms of man-minutes. You see, you have 5 workers here, 12 minutes for packing 15 items. So how many man-minutes do we have here? 5 workers times 12 minutes. So we have 60 man-minutes here, and in 60 man-minutes, we are able to complete 15 units of work. Okay? 15 items were packed. That means 1 unit of work requires how many man-minutes? It requires 4 man-minutes. Okay? So now let's look at the question here. 10 workers, 30 items. 30 items would mean 30 times 4. We require 120 man-minutes. And then there are 10 workers here. That means 120 upon 10, 12. It means 12 minutes would be needed. Statement 1 leads to a unique answer, 12 minutes. Statement 1 is sufficient. Look at statement 2 now. We have 4 workers working for 5 minutes. So 4 times 5, and then 5 workers working for 8 minutes. So plus 5 times 8. Total 20 plus 40. We have 60 man-minutes of work here. And once again, in 60 man-minutes, 15 units of work was done. So this once again suggests that 60 divided by 15, 1 unit of work requires 4 man-minutes. So we got to the same value here, 1 unit of work, 4 man-minutes, and therefore statement 2 is also going to be sufficient. Statement 1 is sufficient, statement 2 is sufficient. D is the correct answer choice.